Good morning. We are here. We actually just got our windows delivered for our house and our doors. So we have all those ready to go in, and that will be the next step to drying in our house and getting it weatherproof before hurricane season starts. Is it heavy? What happens when you buy solid windows?
Short enough to go through the door.
Watch your head. If you're careful.
They're not extremely heavy, but they're
Awkward and
You got it?
he's gonna.
What? Okay. All right, Jackie, come and get this one, please. I don't need any coffee with that.
Good teamwork. You guys.
There he is. It was just like cousin C and I was
I can't see and walk at the same time. Watch your top. Put it where it's gonna go. Closer. You're ahead of me. Go the easy way. I told you like to operate that way.